What the heck's going on, YouTube? We are on another adventure. I have had way too much coffee. Probably got no business being on camera right now. Might start wigging out. Anyways, we're on a familiar spot. Heading down the trail backwards. Woods are alive this morning. Alive with desperation, chores, responsibility. So we're heading on down to the river right now. Going to take you on another gold heist. 1 or 2 grams at a time. We're gonna get the gold out of there. Hopefully nobody even notices. So thanks for joining as always. Stay tuned. Got big plans for today. Got some exciting material. Can't wait to see what it holds. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I have been bouncing up and down this coastline, if that's what you want to call it, and having mediocre success, so I really deserve this pan because I have been putting in the work. Check out that speck count. Man, I'm hoping there's more over there. Here's another great pan from over there. I mean, come on, man. I don't know any gold page where that's not a great pan of gold. Just another real tasty pan of gold. Bunch of California's finest little kibbles and bits right there. Nice little piece in there. And that came right off of the material that was sitting on this heavy rock. And I'm about to move this rock right now and get back to all this material that's in between this huge rock and this rock here. But that nice pan just simply came from the material that was sitting on top of this rock. So we're definitely gonna spend some more time in there. Alright, we're about to move this big rock right here. Oh boy. Oh, you see that's... I wish I could tell you exactly what that white stuff is. But all I know is whenever it's present, so is gold. So I'm gonna figure out something to put underneath this rock right here. And I don't know if you're picking it up from over there, but all this stuff is stuck to the underbelly of this rock. All this dirt right here should have gold in it. So we will be careful right now because we don't really know what this rock wants to do. I'm gonna go under there and get this stuff, and I'll show you what was in it. So after moving those two big rocks, this is the pan I came up with. That's all fine and dandy, but check that out. Another baby nugget, and it's got some mercury on it too, as you can see. Very exciting though. This would be the next pan right after that baby nugget. I mean, can't argue with that. So you see the benefit of moving rocks. It's not my preferred method of mining, but so this is the stuff right here, man. I've uncovered or removed some really big boulders to get to something that looks like that. And that's what you got to do to find gold out here. This river's been picked over so much that you got to be willing to manipulate the earth and get to some places that you know nobody's ever been or hasn't been in a long time anyways. Chunky alert. Chunky alert. I'm just running out of adjectives for a while. And you see these three little tasty bits? See how they're rounded about? Find it more than coincidental that the deeper I go, all of a sudden I'm getting roundy, chunky bits. And if that's the case, how round and how chunky do they get? Y'all need to stand by. Here's the very next pan. I think it goes without saying that I'm super excited right now. So this was supposed to be my last pan of the day, and it's my best pan of the trip. So I think I'm gonna have to do a couple more pans right there. Nothing but filthy pan after filthy pan. Well, as Tim from Motherlode Gold Productions would say, daylight don't last forever on the Yuba. But here's the area we were working in today. Here's the pit that I just keep adding to every day. We kind of lost the trail on the gold at the end of the day today, so we're hoping to pick it back up tomorrow. I'll be there. Why don't you join me? Alright, so I'm back here at the gold wagon. I got started without you guys as usual. I've already separated quite a lot of the black sand. We're down to this right here. Just added some jet dry and some clean water. When you get down to the nitty gritty, you want to take all precautions. Jet dry helps the really fine gold not float. But I don't think I have much fine gold in here, to be honest. So anyways, we're just in the process of slowly washing this black sand back. It's pretty tedious. Suppose I ought to get me a blue bowl, make it easier. But I'll continue with this, and then when I get down to the nitty gritty, I'll turn the camera back on and show you some of my methods on how I separate the last of the black sand. So down to here, you're gonna bring the water around one side, just drag it away. And even if you lose a little guy, there's nothing wrong with sacrificing one little guy to get a bunch more black sand out of there. So I don't know how that's showing up on the camera, but just want to drag it away. I mean, everything matters when you're doing this. The speed on which you pull back, the amount of water you're using. But as you do it more and more, you find out how to manipulate this little bit of water. And you just keep at it. By the way, look at all that gold. Whoa. There is the gold. As you can see, I'm going to get this weighed out. My guess is about 1.5 grams. Well, we'll see here. Would be nice to somehow get 2. Oh, shoot. Let's tear out that. Let's tear out that scale. All right, all zeros. Here we go. No, definitely not going to have 2. But there's 1.2 almost. Definitely going to get the 1.5, I think. Oh, no. So there you have it, folks. 1.408. Not bad. Worth roughly around 130 bucks. We're on a good spot. We're going to get back out there in a little bit. Start putting together this next adventure for you guys. Can't say it enough. Really appreciate you watching. Really appreciate you joining. I'm not even going to ask people to like and subscribe. If they want to, that's great. If not, welcome aboard anyways. So that's what's going on. I'm about to get geared up here. Start heading out. See what the next day holds. Until then, may all your pans be heavy.